Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today my group will present about the body image acceptance and action questionnaire. Okay, before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nurul Fariza Shamira binti Zahari, 1172537. Okay, the body image acceptance and action questionnaire by Emily K. Sandos and Kelly G. Wilsons. This questionnaire have 29 items. Okay. Before that, I would like to explain what is the body image. The researcher defined that the body image as individual experience of the physical self. Okay, in the original AAQ included 46 items, adapted from 3 versions of acceptance and action questionnaire, and then Sandos and friends in 2009 rewrote the item back in order to adapt the body related and specifically on the body image issue like weight, shape, and so on. Okay, this questionnaire is based on acceptance and commitment therapy, which is acceptance and commitment therapy is a form of behavioral therapy. For the reliability of this questionnaire, the reliability scale internally consistent and the construct validity is good. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Dahia Sulhana binti Zainal. My matric number is 1172535. So first of all, I would like to thank my previous teammate Fariza, who is already talked about the introduction, the body image, acceptance and action questionnaire. Now, I would like to continue for the second section, which is instrument administration. Basically, the questionnaire using the Likert scale from 1 to 7. Each of the number bring out different meaning and point. Okay, this questionnaire also didn't put any specific time to answer this question. Usually, people who answer this questionnaire take 20 to 30 minutes. In addition, this questionnaire also didn't put any specific age for those who can answer this questionnaire. From my previous reader from article and journal, usually researchers take randomly of age, which are from 13 to 65 years old. Furthermore, this questionnaire also called paper and pencil test. What is paper and pencil test? Okay, paper and pencil test refer to a general group of assessment tool in which respondents read the question and respond in writing. Before the researcher distribute the questionnaire, the researcher needs and must talk about the aim of the questionnaire. For example, the aim of the body image and acceptance action questionnaire refer to the measurement on how the acceptance and action of body image of that person. So, for the next video, I will demonstrate on how to answer this questionnaire. Stay tuned. Okay guys, since I've talked that the questionnaire is called paper and pencil test, obviously we need a pen and a paper, which is a questionnaire. Okay, so we start with the Demography. Basically, what we have here, a few details of a demographic information. If we look it randomly, there is no space for us to write down our name. This is because the researcher will take care about your identity, and the answer sheet also will be as a secret. So, as a respondent, you just tick which is indicate of yourself. Now, we move to the real questionnaire. What I have been talked before about the Likert scale, every point of the number bring out different meaning. So, the respondent need to read the question carefully and put the number here which consists the answer. So, are you ready to answer this questionnaire? Please make sure to answer it honestly from bottom of your heart. Thank you. Okay, Daya, it's your turn now.
Thank you, Kak Su, for the explanation. Okay, let me continue with the interpretation of the instrument. Okay, basically, we have to know that this instrument have seven rating scale to respondent to choose which one is exactly the choices that relate to their body acceptance of their body image and affect their daily life. Okay, the first is never true. Never true. Second is the very seldom true, and third is seldom true. Fourth is sometimes true. Fifth is frequently true, and sixth is almost always true, and the seventh is always true. Okay, from here we can choose which is the best choices or the best rating for ourselves in the term of how we accept our body image and how it's relate to how it's relate or effect for our daily life or daily routine. Okay, now let we see the example of the respondent one. Okay, this is the rating scale of the instrument 1 until 7. Okay, for this respondent, mostly she choose the fourth and the third rating scale of this questionnaire. That is seldom true and sometimes true, but also have several item or statement that respondent choose the frequently true. Okay, as Kak Sulhana has explained before, every rating scale brings out the different meaning. The rating scale that we choose relate with our acceptance of our body image and how it affects the life value or our life decision.